Westpac is an Australian bank with over 14 million customers. And at a time when most firms are turning away from crypto, thanks to the infamous crypto winter of 2022, this bank might just make a big splash in crypto. And it's actually getting some investors pretty excited. But what does this mean for crypto? And is Australia about to be the world's next big crypto hub? In this video, we'll be taking a look at that and some other related news. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, what is Westpac doing with crypto? Westpac recently made the announcement that they're hiring someone for a top-level crypto position. They didn't really give an indication of what the position entailed, but they made it clear that the bank was going to focus more and more on crypto in the coming future. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why? This is a time when no one wants to come even close to crypto. So why would a bank with all the financial knowledge in the world decide to pivot to crypto now of all times? Well, we might never know. However, this announcement caused Westpac's stock price to jump, indicating that investors are confident with their decision. Westpac says it wants to enter the crypto market and achieve a leadership position. Up next, what does this mean for crypto? Now, banks don't usually make decisions on a whim. Whenever a bank makes an investment or a major decision, you should automatically assume that it's done after consulting experts and doing a lot of research. The fact that one of Australia's largest banks is pivoting towards crypto gives us an idea that the crypto winter might not last much longer. After all, crypto prices are at their lowest point in years. If there was a chance for any of them to reach their peaks again, we would be able to make a lot of money by investing. But people are scared of investing in crypto because of the recent crashes. Not just people, but banks, financial institutions, governments, lenders, and everyone else. But now that a major bank is investing in crypto, it could mean that things are slowly turning around. Also, how much is Westpac investing in crypto? As of right now, no one really knows how much Westpac is investing in crypto. We don't even know if they're investing in crypto at all. All we do know is that they're hiring crypto experts. However, considering the fact that Westpac said they want to be a market leader in crypto, it's only a matter of time before they start buying some major crypto assets, which itself could provide a boost to the crypto market. I'd keep a close eye on some of the investments that Westpac is going to make over the course of the next few months, because that might just indicate what some of the top cryptos of 2022 are going to be. Keep in mind, many banks and financial institutions do have crypto experts on the team already. There's nothing new about Westpac doing it. However, most banks have been downsizing their crypto teams in 2022, but Westpac is growing it. Believe it or not, we have some major market analysts predicting a major rise in crypto due to economic conditions, which may have influenced their decision. For example, a Goldman Sachs executive predicts a crypto rise soon. Right now, there are a lot of mixed signals on whether or not it's a good idea to invest in crypto, even though the crash has just left a bad taste in practically everyone's mouth. Some people still believe that the impending recession is going to help the crypto industry. One of these people is ex-Goldman Sachs executive Raoul Pal. Paul believes that the crypto crash has bottomed out, and there's no way for it to get any lower. At the same time, he predicts a massive crash in the global economy thanks to high oil prices, supply chain issues, and increasing geopolitical tensions. He believes that all this will automatically lead investors to more volatile assets, and what's more volatile than crypto? He also predicted that the price of Bitcoin could reach as high as $25,000 by the end of the year, which is nowhere close to its peak, but it's still a recovery. Not just that, but the IMF reports similar things as well. Many people blamed the crypto crash of 2022 on high inflation and interest rates, which made investing in crypto a bad choice for a lot of people. However, the same inflation might just save crypto now. The IMF recently announced that the risk of a global recession is higher than ever before in 2022. This is obviously bad news for a lot of people, but it's not necessarily bad news for crypto. Right after the announcement, the price of Bitcoin went up to $21,000 after a low of under $19,000. This is because during times of crisis, such as a recession, many people tend to turn to alternatives to the traditional financial system, and there might not be a better alternative than crypto right now. Up next, why does a bad economy mean more crypto? Despite the crypto price spike after the IMF's announcement, many people are still skeptical about crypto prices seeing a rebound because of a global recession. In reality, no one can really predict what's going to happen in a global recession, but we can take a few looks at some national recessions to get a good idea. A lot of countries around the world have turbulent and depressing economies, and surprisingly, one of the only ways that citizens can protect themselves from the economy is through cryptocurrency. We've seen this happen in Venezuela, where the local currency crashed thanks to US sanctions. We saw it happen in Argentina, where the economy is so bad right now that people have no choice but to put their income and savings into cryptocurrency. Other countries where crypto has seen widespread use as of late include Lebanon, Iran, Ukraine, and even North Korea. All of these countries have terrible economies, but cryptocurrency is widespread there because people don't trust the government, and the government can't control the cryptos. Soon enough, we might start seeing scenes like that in the Western world as well. well. After all, the euro is now worth as much as the US dollar for the first time in decades. A lot of currencies in stable countries are now becoming unstable, and it's only a matter of time before crypto takes over there too. Now, let's take a look at some other related news. In other news, Mark Cuban believes there's a dangerous player coming up in the crypto world. Billionaire Mark Cuban has always had a love-hate relationship with cryptocurrencies. He was one of the first billionaires to start giving crypto investment advice on Twitter, and he even said it was a great way to teach his son about investing. Even though Mark acknowledges how badly crypto has performed in 2022 thus far, he believes that there's a dangerous player coming to the crypto market soon. But is the danger good for the crypto markets or bad? Unfortunately, Cuban believes it's bad. He says the SEC is the dangerous player he was talking about. The SEC recently announced that they would be targeting Coinbase and some other major crypto exchanges, and Cuban says that this is only the beginning. He says that the real danger will arise when the SEC starts to register specific tokens. He believes that the SEC purposely keeps its rules on crypto vague in order to create a panic in the market and to prevent people from trading crypto. Let's just hope they change their minds in the future. Up next, EU says it doesn't have enough staff to regulate crypto. At a time when America is getting more and more strict on crypto, the EU might just get more lenient. Jose Manuel Campa, the top EU banking regulator, recently told the Financial Times that he can't find enough staff to enforce rules on crypto that are set to be placed after 2025. This would mean that all the rules and regulations that were planned for crypto might just end up in the trash. After all, if there's no one to enforce the rule, is it really a rule? It just goes to show that regulating cryptocurrency, a decentralized asset, is an impossible task that even some of the largest economies in the world are having trouble with. As of right now, it's not clear whether or not the EU is going to change some of its rules, or if it's going to burn more money to regulate crypto with little chance of results. And finally, blockchain.com cuts workers. Blockchain.com is one of the largest crypto financial service companies in the world. Based in Argentina, it had been thriving for much of its history, but now, in 2022, it faces some major losses. Apparently, the company is facing a $270 million shortfall thanks to some bad lending decisions, and it's having a hard time dealing with these losses. It recently fired around 150 employees, or around 25% of its entire workforce, because of the financial crunch. And despite that, it still isn't enough. It just goes to show that despite the small recovery in crypto prices and the seemingly positive outlook for the future, the crypto market is still in shambles. It'll take a really long time for it to completely recover. That's a wrap for this video. Do you think that crypto will make a comeback in 2022? Let us know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.